Hey guys! So we're gonna get a bird. So hear me out. I have been doing research on birds now for a couple months, and I don't want a big bird. I want a small bird. And just something that would fit our lifestyle really well, because obviously it's about the bird, not just me wanting a bird. You want to make sure that when you're getting a new pet, number one, you do a ton of research. Two, you make sure it's going to be a good fit for your lifestyle. And three, you make sure you can provide the care that it's going to need and the attention. I've been going between two types of birds, a cockatiel and a budgie. And I've been doing a lot of pro versus cons with the both of them, which one I think that would be best. I was leaning towards the budgie, and then I was leaning towards the cockatiel, and then the thing happens where you find your bird. Going based on what would work best for us and match us the most. Sorry about that, my cat's broken. All right, where were we? So making sure that you can provide everything that they need, and I've been going back and forth between those two species. I met the bird. It is a little budgie, and it just stole my heart right away, and I just felt a really deep connection. I know that sounds silly, but sometimes it happens, and it happened with this budgie. And I decided that I think this would be the best bird to go with. Now, the bird would be here in the reptile room. Obviously, my door is locked at all times, so the cats cannot get in here. And in the reptile room, there's nothing in here that's going to be able to harm the bird, and I'll be able to free fly it in this room. So it's going to be a safe environment for it. I've got a pretty large cage that I'm going to have coming in here soon. So I'm really excited about this. And I think it's going to be something nice to share with you all as well, and we can kind of go through this together of getting a bird.